First my stapler broke, then my 3-hole punch and a 2-hole punch. And none of my paper is lined. Here's your copy. Oh!
2 swordfishes in a knife fight.
Hey, you talking to me? Well, yeah, I'm trying to with our getting in the way. Oh no, he has a knife. I brought a knife to this sword fight. What do I have? All right.
2 dinosaurs in a sword fight. Rejected Muppet movie ideas.
Muppets and Tim going past the
Did Dr. Seuss starred in a horror movie? Did Dr. Seuss starred in a horror movie?
1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, 10 fish.
This haunted house did throw me for a loop. I had checked my pants. Oh, there is poop.
Pirate is obsessed with waffles.
Well, it seems I've served the 7 seas and not gone served to drink this wonderful waffle. They call me Captain Crumbly Beer.
Mr. Rogers has war flashbacks during his kid show.
I know you're hiding somewhere. You're the explosion.
Charlie, bring our red sweater.
Kids, you want to know the story of this sweater? Didn't start out red.
I hope you don't mind if I tie my shoes.
Stoners see first sunset.
Oh, what a great day to be in the medieval ages.
Take that, peasants!
Flash mob.
Stupid chaka! Ooga, 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 chaka! Ooga, ooga! I can't stop this feeling! Deep inside!
Frankie, come in. Get on this coat. You're gonna go to Walmart. You're gonna go like this. Then you're gonna give me the money afterwards.
Autobiographies of infamous celebrities.
I hope you don't mind if I tie my shoes.